While many recipients enjoy streaming audio from their phone to their processor using the direct connectivity feature, if you prefer a hands-free option while talking on the phone, you can use the Cochlear Wireless Phone Clip. The built-in microphone will transmit your voice so you don't have to hold your phone in your hand. To use this device for the first time, you'll want to make sure it's charged by using the included cable. The light will be a steady red while charging and change to a blinking green and red light when charging is complete. Next, you'll want to pair it to your sound processor. Think of pairing as introducing your phone clip to your Nucleus 8. Like an introduction, it only needs to happen one time. Start with your processor off. Turn on the phone clip by sliding the side button down, then remove the silver cap. Next, using a pen, press the white button on the back of the phone clip. It will flash yellow when it's in pairing mode. Turn your processor back on, and a blue light on your processor will indicate that pairing has completed. Then, we'll need to pair your phone clip to your Bluetooth-enabled phone. For our purposes, we're using an iPhone. Push the Bluetooth pairing button on the back of the phone clip until you see a blue light. Then, tap the settings icon on your phone, select Bluetooth, and hearing aid phone. You'll see the word connected when it's successfully paired. For Android, this will be listed in the Bluetooth menu. Remember, you will only need to complete the initial pairing process once. Now, attach the phone clip to your shirt. To use the phone clip, once you receive a call, press the phone icon to answer. If you place a call on your phone, you may have to select hearing aid phone as the selected audio source to ensure that it's streaming through your phone clip instead of directly to your Nucleus 8 sound processor. To hang up, press the phone icon again. For troubleshooting or additional help and support, check out the support.cochlear.com videos or by calling Cochlear to be connected with our device support team.